This is the web practical question session, and this is the second set of the questions. Now I'm going to do the first question. First question is the famous education website that provides free education to Sri Lankan students during COVID-19 situations. Students can learn various kinds of subjects by using the website. A request has been made to add a multiplication table, so I had to create a multiplication table. When I enter the number, it create the multiplication table of that number until the 12 multiplication. So it cannot reload. They give us some condition that we cannot reload the calculation when I click the button reload the page. We can't reload the page, and interface should be responsive and attractive too. So when I view the answer in here, you can see this is the page, and it is responsive too. You can see it is changing the screen sizes. And here when I enter the number, let's say I enter 4 and create table, it is generating the multiplication table of the number 4, and I can enter any number I want, and it is creating the table. So this is the simple structure. Now I'm going to show you the code. And here code is, this is the code. In here I used Bootstrap to make it responsive. In here I used the input field to take the number, and when I click the button, it is calling the JavaScript function called tab. Tab function is calling, and it is taking the value of the input field, and it is passing into the process PHP, and it is going as a get request, and in the process PHP it is taking the variable and checking it is whether it is empty or not. If it is empty, it is sending the response saying number 1. If it is number 1, they giving alert number, enter the number. It is not calculating the process. And if it is not empty, then it is doing the calculation. It is repeating 12 times. I've used for loop, and it is printing in H3 tag, and it is printing the I means the first one, and it is starting from 0, so I have to add a number 1 in here. So 0 plus 1, so it is going 1 to 12. It is stopped at 11, 0 to 11 in the for loop, but I have to take the number 1 to 12, so I have to add 1. So printing the x multiplication mark, and the number is the number we entered, and it is calculating the I plus 1 multiplying by the number, giving the result. So it is repeating 12 times in here. I can change the number, like I can take about 20 times. You can change it and can create the table. It is generating 20, because I use only for 12. Like that way I can limit the numbers also. So that is the process of the first question.